Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Little Wings channel. Hope everyone is fine and enjoying their days. So, today's video we are going to talk about very important and interesting topic which is about the famous dishes in Middle East. Okay, famous Arabic dishes you can say. So many of the people, those who live there, they know that, but those who don't live them, for them this is the information, Arabic pronunciation for those words and what is this called and what is how it is made, a short and a brief introduction about each dish. Okay, so first of all, those who live in UAE and any other Gulf countries or Middle East countries, they are very familiar. First comes with falafel. Yes, falafel is these deep fried meat free balls. Okay, become a common international street food dish, as always everyone knows. Like in India and other countries we have like vada, right? Similar to that, in the Arab countries they have falafel. So this is very famous and it's very tasty dish. Second dish is hummus. Hummus is actually it's made from mashed chickpeas. Okay, it is made from that, and it is also very famous. Olive is there in that, lemon juice, garlic, all are mixed up in that. So and it is very famous traditional popular Middle East food. Okay, so people enjoy that also. Okay, so this is number 2. Next comes is Manakish. Okay, when you go to Arabic restaurants or Arabic stores and all, usually you will find this Manakish. What is Manakish? Manakish is actually a round bread sprinkled with either cheese, they mix it, or ground meat or herbs, which is called za'atar. Za'atar is also very famous dish there, which is also known as the pizza of the Arabic world. Okay, like we have veg pizza and non-veg pizza and with different varieties of chicken and all. Same like that, this Manakish is called Arabian pizza. So it is very famous. When you go to the restaurants you will find that. Okay, next comes is grilled halloumi. Okay, this is called grilled halloumi. What is this actually, how it is made of? Actually the salty cheese from Cyprus, Cyprus, has a high melting point, so it can be both grilled and fried also it is used. So this is called grilled halloumi. Next what I have noted down is the another famous dish which is used is fol medamas. What is fol? Fol is actually very famous Egyptian dish. Okay, national dish is a stew of fava beans, olive oil, okay, and onion, garlic and lemon is mixed in that. It will be like in India, when you say, you can compare to that like a pani puri. Okay, puri you can compare to this dish with that. So this is Arabian pani puri, you can say in the short form. Next we have is Chabola. What is Chabola? Chabola is actually like we have salad, right? Okay, the tasty combination of bulgur, parsley, mint, onion and tomatoes, traditionally all these are mixed up, serve as a part of meze. Okay, so this is called Chabola. In Arabian restaurants you will find this dish. Okay, so don't get surprised when you find all these things. Okay, next you have is fattoush. What is fattoush? Fattoush is similarly like vegetables and toast, pita bread, all are mixed up in that. Okay, it is a famous dish of Lebanon. Okay, Lebanon's famous dish is fattoush. Next we have is shawarma. Here comes shawarma. Shawarma is very famous Arabian dish. The wrap of tender shades. Nowadays in India's big cities also it is available. But if you want to taste the real taste, you have to go to Gulf countries. Taste is real. Okay, and especially the Syrians, they make so nice. Then Egyptians, then Lebanese. That comes category wise. So it's a very famous dish, shawarma. Okay. Then it comes is Shishta. What is Shishta? Actually it is a chicken, marinated chicken shish kebab. It's marinated. It is and it's a Turkish origin. Okay, this dish is Turkish. Okay, and it is a barbecue and all it is done. So it is a Turkish origin dish. Next we have is Mansaab. What is Mansaab? Mansaab is actually lamb slow cooked in a yogurt sauce and sprinkled with almond and pine nuts. So it is Jordan's most famous dish is called Mansaab. Okay, another dish we have is very famous Yemen's dish is which is called Mandi. Nowadays it is available in Indian restaurant, India also in big cities, major cities. But again it goes back to the main taste. If you want is you will find this in Yemen. Okay, there is chicken mandi is there, mutton mandi is there, masbi is there. So many amazing dishes are there which you'll love it. Okay, then we have kofta. Similarly, as we have in Indian word kofta, similarly they also have kofta, balls of minced lamb or beef which can be fried, grilled, barbecued or baked. So any of this way they use this. So this is called kofta. Okay, so actually it's a very exciting topic. Hope you people will be loving it. So next we have is dolma. What is dolma? Don't think it's shawarma's cousin. Okay, so dolma is different. So this dish consists of a wine leaf loaded, okay, with a filling of meat and rice. It will be like a fill loaded with a wrapped up. Okay, its name means to be stuffed. And you know what is the origin of this? It is also Turkish. Okay, this is also Turkish dish. Next we have baklava. Baklava, what is baklava? You would have heard this name, baklava, especially in the sweets shops. When you go to Arabian sweets shops, you will find this name, baklava. What is this baklava? Well, there is a must debate over its origin. Where it is come from, we don't know. But it's a sweet combination of honey, nuts, all these things are mixed up in that, and it's very famously. Usually, you will find this kind of dishes in pastries and sweet shops and all in Arab countries. Okay, so please remember this baklava. One more dish is which is there very famous, which you will find usually in Mandi restaurants and all, which is called Kunafa. What is Kunafa? A delicious dessert made up of sugar soaked cheese in a pastry crust. So usually you will find this. I recommend you should eat this when it is very hot, because it will be very tasty. It will be very tasty. Okay, so hope you people will be enjoying the video. So, and the last but not least is Iraqi mazghob. What is this Iraqi mazghob? It is actually grilled carp, slow cooked for up to 3 hours. They cook this and serve with lemon and pickles. It's considered by many of the to be national dish of Iraq. So what is the national dish of Iraq? It is called Iraqi mazghob. So friends, hope you like this video about the interesting topic, interesting video about the famous dishes of Middle East. Okay, thank you, and we'll see you next video.